What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of mine. So recently had the opportunity to go to Colorado, and of course Colorado, from what I've heard, has amazing roads for riding a bike. So I decided to rent out a bike for one of the days that I was in Colorado. So here I'm riding an MT07. I rented it out, and I just stopped over the side of the road on the highway. It's not really a great idea because I was trying to figure out my camera setup. I had to use a chest mount because I couldn't really bring my helmet. I didn't really want to bring my helmet through the TSA. I didn't want to risk having it taken away from me. So what I did was, I just brought my chest mount and GoPro. Unfortunately, I didn't have a microphone set up while I was riding, so I just had to kind of, just record without commentary. So of course here I am, commentating over the footage I captured. So here I pulled over to the side of the road here. It's a scenic overlook, looking over the mountainous views. Behind me is the city of Denver, and in front of me is the beautiful mountain ranges in Colorado. And as you can see, it's just truly magnificent to look at. Man, like, I'm back here in New York, and I'm honestly really missing the mountain views. When I was actually out riding here, it was pretty damn hot. It was like around 100 degrees, and luckily there was a little bit of clouds to keep me cool. Apologize, my nose is a little stuffy. Allergies has been just attacking me today. Of course, here I am. I'm a tourist. Gotta take the pictures, man. Taking some shots here. I'm pretty sure some of y'all have seen those photos I took here. I posted it on my Instagram page, as well as the community portion, or the community portion of my channel. Yeah, I was just totally enjoying the view right here. I was like, damn, it's beautiful out there. So here I am about to leave. I've taken all my photos, admired the view enough, and it's time to head on out. So the funny thing about this particular MT07 I rode, the clutch and the shifting was very it was broken, basically. The shift lever on your feet, it was very hard to put it into gear, so I had to put a decent amount of force to make the bike shift gears. But despite that, I had a hell of a time. I was enjoying the bike. The MT07 is such a good bike. It's just so balanced, and everything about it is just perfect. Now, probably the only reason why I wouldn't get an MT07 is because it doesn't have fairings, and I'm a fan of just fully faired sports bikes. I like the way they look, and it's just my thing. In terms of a naked bike, I'm not really a fan of naked bikes, except for some of the Ducatis and some of the Triumph bikes, but they're fucking expensive, so probably won't buy them until I reach top pay. So I'm pulling over here to the second spot that I'm stopping over. It is another scenic overlook, and it's much closer to the mountain. You'll see in a moment how close it is, but it's still a pretty good distance away from the base of the mountain. And of course, here it is. It's a gravel patch of land here, and it was kind of uneven, honestly. The dirt was loose, so I was kind of whoa, slipping a bit. And of course, the MT07, the seat height is a decent amount higher, honestly, and and I was kind of like struggling a bit to kind of balance and like keep my foot down on the ground. But you know, I'm still adjusting. Oh, and one thing about this MT07, the the friction zone was very, very far out, so it just, I wasn't really a fan of that. Like I said earlier, the clutch, everything about it was kind of funky. It's a well ridden and well beat up bike, so that explains why like everything about it is a bit wonky. But here it is, you know, the view looks amazing. Look at this. Woo! I do miss the mountains, man. Look at that. Holy crap. That is amazing. Look at that. Just the mountain range just keeps on going. You know, of course here I am taking my pictures, you know. I gotta take some pictures, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, I miss it. Yep, taking the pictures. Of course I gotta take a picture of the bike too. It's honestly, for a naked bike, I do like the way the MT07 actually looks. It looks pretty damn solid. Like if I were to get it naked, it's probably gonna be an MT07. Feel free to mute the video if you just want to look at the views, you know. Maybe I'll upload a commentary-free version of this video. Here I am struggling with the friction zone on this bike. The friction zone was very far out, so I was trying to get used to it, you know. The friction zone on my bike is pretty at a middle ground, and it's just perfect. This one, it was like right at the start of where you kind of like grab the clutch lever. And of course, I'm accelerating with this bike. It's pretty powerful, honestly. Alright fam, I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I'm gonna upload it in parts because I don't necessarily want to like clip everything, and you know, I just kind of want to like show you all there is to show of Colorado from what I've experienced on this ride. So I'm not really gonna edit things like, you know, too much. I'm just gonna kind of like just put the video down and then clip it by parts. Not a lot of snipping here and there, and just basically just let you guys kind of experience it as a whole. So I'm gonna make this as like a part one. There's a lot of footage, and I kind of want to show it to all of you. You know, of course, thanks for watching the video, and you know, feel free to comment and like the video, subscribe to my channel. Hey, you guys could do whatever the fuck you want. You guys do whatever you need to do. And you know, if you like this video, I'm glad you like it. If not, damn, that's unfortunate. Anyway, thank you for watching, and peace out.